Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel today. We're going to walk you through the process of changing your product key or upgrading your Windows operating system. Whether you've purchased a new license or you're looking to upgrade to a higher edition of Windows, this guide will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly talk about what a product key is. A product key is a 25-character code used to activate Windows. It ensures that your copy of Windows is genuine and properly licensed. You'll need this key if you're installing Windows for the first time, changing your license, or upgrading to a different edition. Now, let's go through the steps to change your product key in Windows. Click on the Windows Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Select Settings from the Start menu. In the Settings window, navigate to System. Scroll down the left-hand menu and click on About. Under the Related Settings section, click on Change Product Key. Enter your new 25-character product key and click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once the process is complete, your Windows will be activated with the new product key. If you run into any issues while changing your product key or upgrading, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Ensure you're connected to the internet. Double-check that the product key is entered correctly. Make sure the key matches the edition of Windows you're trying to activate. If the issue persists, contact Microsoft Support for assistance. And that's it. You now know how to change your product key or upgrade your Windows edition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.